It is Friday the 19th of January and you are listening to Workers Connect Radio, where we bring you latest updates from the world of work. We'll begin with headlines. Irked over delay in payment of wages, Safai Karamcharis in Delhi's Burari hospital embark on indefinite strike. Calcutta High Court sets up team for verification of MGNREGA job cards in West Bengal. Explosion at fire extinguisher manufacturing unit in Uttar Pradesh's Ghaziabad kills 2 workers. French government mandates employers to report refusal to accept permanent jobs by fixed-term workers. And Firecracker factory turns into graveyard in Thailand. Explosion kills over 20 workers. Now news in detail. Contract Safai Karamcharis employed by the government hospital in Burari area of Delhi have embarked on indefinite strike demanding immediate payment of their pending wages. The hospital, inaugurated during the COVID-19 pandemic, has been infamous for workers' abuse. Earlier, several women workers at the hospital had complained of rampant sexual harassment at the workplace. Under the aegis of Safai Karamcharis Union, the striking workers are demanding the removal of the contract company Global Venture and suspension of all the accused officials who were named in the cases of sexual harassment. The Calcutta High Court has directed the setting up of a 4-member team for an expeditious verification of job cards of Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act or MGNREGA on a district-wise basis in West Bengal. A division bench of Chief Justice T.S. Shivagananam and Justice Hiranmay Bhattacharya ordered the state and union government to come up with names of the officials on the next day of hearing scheduled for 25th of January. The order came during the hearing of a PIL filed by Paschim Bango Khet Majur Samiti filed in 2023 seeking release of wages to genuine workers whose wages have been pending since the year 2021. The 4-member team will comprise of 1 nominee from the union government, 1 by the West Bengal state government, 1 from the Office of Comptroller and Auditor General, and 1 from the Office of Accountant General of West Bengal. There is yet another news of workers' death from Uttar Pradesh. This time, 2 workers have been killed in a powerful cylinder explosion at fire extinguisher manufacturing unit Kalpataru Industries situated at Ghaziabad. The deceased have been identified as 23-year-old Arman and 33-year-old Amjad. Over 40 people were working at the factory when the mishap shook the building around 5 p.m. The duo were responsible for filling up empty cylinders and testing them. The police have filed an FIR against the factory's owner under Section 304A of the Indian Penal Code for causing death due to negligence. Moving on to international news, first one is from France, where the Labour Market Law number 2022/1598, also known as the Full Employment Law, passed on 21st of December 2022, has introduced obligations for employers to inform the unemployment agency, known as France Travail, of the refusal of an employee of the offer of an open-ended contract after the expiry of their fixed-term contract. Employers and contractors are now duty-bound to report on temporary employees who, on 2 occasions during the previous 12 months, have refused an offer of a permanent contract from the user company at the end of an assignment. The offers of work must have been given to the employee in writing, and the employee should be able to take up the same or a similar nature of job without changing the place of work. This refusal under certain conditions is likely to deprive the employee concerned of receiving unemployment benefits. And around 23 workers have died in Suphanburi province of Thailand due to an explosion at a fireworks manufacturing factory. Cause of the blast is being investigated. However, the police have confirmed that there had been a previous explosion at the factory in the year 2022 in which 1 worker had died. Safety at fireworks unit has come under scanner as last year in a similar incident, more than 12 workers had died while over 120 were badly injured due to an explosion at a fireworks warehouse in the southern village of Muno. That's all in this bulletin. We'll be back next week with the latest updates from the world of work.